Alright, it's gonna be a quick video talking about how much it costs to fill up my car on E85. If you already don't know, you've seen my previous video. I did a video about how much it costs to fill up my Scatpack, but that's when I was running strictly 91. I just installed an E85 kit from ProFlex Commander, so you can go check the install video out. Obviously, if you don't know already, E85 makes your car go faster because it runs better on that. It's better for the engine, and it's even cheaper gas. So right now, you see it says $369 at Chevron. I normally go to Shell. It's $374 right now, and I normally get 5 cents off Shell, so it's basically the same price at both places. You see these places are fairly close. I just left my house. I actually started this video from my house, but it didn't record. But anyway, both of these locations, like this, it's like 3 miles from my house, and this place right here is like, you know, 3 or 4 miles from my house. Not too far, but I actually stayed close to 3 E85 gas stations, one being 1 mile away from my house. And basically, you see it says $369. That's the cheapest I could get 91 for. As far as the places that I go to, I'm not going to, you know, Sam's Club or 7-Eleven and shit like that, or Smith's, but I'm going to, like, you know, these top tier places that add the additives in the gas and make it run even better. But so I'm gonna go ahead and switch this. You see the price is $369. That's the cheapest you can get some 91 for. And I'm gonna go ahead and change this from premium, because I had it on premium, to E85. And let me just close that out. And you're gonna see it says Murphy Express. I'm already here. It's 304, and it actually is 304. You see the sign right there. So just from that, you can see that's a big jump. That's a total of 65 cents. I'm basically all the way down to E. It says 11 miles. You see it's almost down to E. So we see how much it's gonna cost, but just from that, you can see 65 cents. And my car fits basically 18 gallons. It's pretty much down to the E. So 65 cents times 18. I'll put that number down below. But you see, that's a lot, especially when you're filling up, like, you know, once or twice a week, because that's basically what I do. A tank of gas is not lasting me over 7 days, just because I do a lot of driving. And, you know, this is a V8, and sometimes I drive in track mode and all that, so it's gonna wear down quicker. Even with E85, it kind of burns quicker, but it's much cheaper. So even at the end of the day, you're gonna be saving more money, plus you're gonna be moving faster. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how much it's gonna cost and show y'all how much it is. Last time I filled my car up at Shell off 91, it cost me a total of $68 and some change, and that only lasted me under a week, if that. Probably, like, you know, six days. So let me see how much this costs. Go ahead and turn the car off real quick. All right, first E85 fill up. Boy, look at this. I got some points too. Hell yeah. See this shit drop. Oh, you see, damn, $2.94 a gallon, bro. My damn car that. Alright, so the price of this, it's gonna be a little bit off just because I used that 10 cents, but it's pretty much close to what I've been paying anyway. Let's see, alright, first time in the E85 in the Scat. Even got the little corn on it. Firm, E85 fill up. Come back and let y'all know how much the total is. Alright, so 50 bucks. Fill up on E85. First fill up on E85. Let's see how this shit run.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah, reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah, and now I'm out here getting